Okay, welcome back to another video. As you see, I'm so puffy today. It's a morning. This is my morning face look like. Yeah, I just done doing workout, and today will be different from my previous video. We are going to do a vlog. I thought of going to a brighter shower, so I'm gonna take it every step of I make. Now I'll take shower, not shower, I don't have shower. I'll take bath. After that, skincare. I'm gonna wash my hair to toe, head to toe, I mean head to toe, and we are going to do a skincare and how I do my makeup and choose my dress. Okay, let's first I'm gonna take bath. See you guys. I'm back after shower. What shower always after bath, and now we are going to do skincare. I'll take this Centella Cosrx toner and just spray it. Oh, let me apply lip balm. It's already dry, and I'm gonna take sauce, vitamin C, a Baite. It's already finished. Oh, don't want to come out. No more, yeah. Okay, now let's go to another serum, which is from what? Benton Snail Bee Ultimate. It's a good serum. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Look at us. Here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Benton eye cream. Let's apply eye cream. Yeah. Yeah. Now, moisturizer. Then let's go to the next step, sunscreen.
I love this serum because it has vitamin C that brighten my skin the whole day. Lip tint from Peripera. It is a good lip tint. Nếu ta tôi apply được mà, phải có hộp sọc ấy chứ, with hộp sọc.
That's all. That's all for our skincare, and now let me have breakfast, and then we are going to do our hair.
Let's take this green tea, and then almond, and then raisins, and then cashew nuts, and then dates. Okay, let me have green tea. Green tea for weight loss. And I'm not gonna add sugar. I hate sugar. I hate sweet things, so I'm not gonna add sugar. I'm just adding hot water. That's it. Yeah, this is all my breakfast for the whole day.
So good. Now let's do our hair. Hair. Let's go and comb. It's not fully dry, so we are going to wait. Between, we are going to search our dress for today. Let's go. Hello guys, I already chose our dress for today, and this is it. Blazer. Wait. Okay, done. Doing makeup. Okay, now let's do our makeup. I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm gonna use only concealer. I don't want heavy makeup because I want my skin to breathe, so I'm not gonna use foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna reapply my sunscreen again. Yeah.
I just gonna apply under eye and some spots, only dot. Okay, now let's go to the next step, eyebrow. I'm just gonna comb up and down, and we are going to use this product K-Brow from Benefit. I don't want black eyebrows, so I want natural wala, so I'm gonna apply a little bit just to pop up my eyebrows. Okay, we are done with eyebrows, and let's do eyeshadow using LA Halte. It's already broke, but we are going to use the brown shade. I just want to look natural, so I'm not gonna apply thick one dark one, I mean. You know, I'm not good in doing makeups. Anyway, I'm trying. Okay, after applying the upper side, I'm gonna apply the lower eyelid because I just want my eyes to look bigger in size, bigger in shape, and then contour. I'm using sugar. This contour palette is from Sugar. It's a good one. It's not that much pigmented, but we can use it. Whenever you try to buy makeup stuff, please don't go to the cheap one. Man tom te homo cholo di man do de zik chemical tam de lo ko khat a branded de kha mat di makeup jing no le ma chang ne man de hoi. Okay, now let's go to a blush. I'm just using pari pere ham jitia kha lip tint. I just applied, and now let's go to the lip part. I'm using 70 Amazonia. I have that one from Maybelline. That's it. Ha, we are done with our makeup. See, Nothing changed, I think. Theme more than that. Anyway, I'm already getting ready. This is my outfit.
Lagi saute lah neoprene, semua neoprene hai tak ini.
Saya umur Jose, dia tak ada TV.
Eating food. Money đi ăn như lai tất rồi. Sao bạn nghe chưa? Nenek pun kulit satu lah ni. Lang makalin. After photo session, we are going back.
Bago tayo dito.
Woof.